Okay, we're back. Like I said, I don't know if you can see these wires down here, but the wires, I'm sure those go to the distributor and then probably the computer grounds, whatever goes that way. That connector right there looks really corroded. It's actually grounded to an aluminum housing to where it really looks to me like that's probably not receiving good ground. So what we're going to do now is we're going to clean this up, clean our grounds up, and we're going to retest the system and see if that could possibly be a problem to why we're not receiving a signal. So we're going to clean that up and go from there to see what we got.